I'm Kirk Lawson, NDI instructor at OTEC.
I'm Maddie. I'm a student here with the Non-Destructive Inspection Program. Welcome to Tech Tuesday. Alright, so here we've taken an x-ray of this conch shell, and with our program we were able to change the color of our subject that we just got done radiographing, where we are able to see different densities and thicknesses in the shell and manipulate that using color. So I'll show you a little bit of what I'm talking about. We can see some of the colors shifting. We can use different palettes that offer more contrast depending on what we're looking for. So here we can see the spiral really well where it goes up into some of the thinner area of the shell, and then down here this is probably the thinnest area of the shell where we're only going through one layer, but as we go up into here with the where it's kind of that fuchsia color, that's going to be the thickest area, and it's going through several spirals of shell material. This applies to non-destructive inspection, where we can actually take material such as this weld that I photographed here, and we can see the different densities in the material, and using this program I can actually adjust it, and you can see cracks right here that have propagated along the weld, along with some porosity that, if this part was used long term, could be fatal to several lives, which is why it's so important to not only understand what we do here, but understand the impact that it has on people and the world.